Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemon meringue tart. First, let's create the perfect tart crust. Combine 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1/2 cup of very cold, cubed butter and a pinch of salt. Mix until crumbly, then add 2 tablespoons of ice water, just enough to bring the dough together. Press this dough into a 9-inch tart pan and blind bake it for 15 minutes until it's lightly golden. Now, let's craft that irresistible zesty lemon filling. In a bowl, whisk together 4 large egg yolks, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice and 1/4 cup of water until it simmers. Slowly temper the hot liquid into your egg mixture, then return it to the pan. Cook until it thickens, stirring constantly, and finish by stirring in 2 tablespoons of butter. Next, we'll create the beautiful, fluffy meringue topping. In a clean, dry bowl, whip 4 large egg whites until they form soft peaks. Gradually add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, continuing to whip until the meringue is stiff, glossy, and holds its shape beautifully. Carefully spoon or pipe this meringue onto your cooled lemon filling, making sure it touches the edges of the crust all around to prevent any shrinking during baking. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your masterpiece. Place your tart in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Keep a close eye on it until the meringue peaks are beautifully golden brown. Once baked, let the tart cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial for the filling to set properly. For the best flavor and texture, serve your delicious lemon meringue tart chilled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.